Good morning. Happy holidays. Sure. Well, I think that expert bakers and novice bakers alike would all agree that the holidays are a stressful time. And I partnered with Crisco because I want to make holiday baking feel approachable, stress-free, and super fun. So today I'm going to make cardamom spice stained glass cookies. My favorite holiday recipes are those that I can enjoy myself and then share with people I love. So in addition to the cardamom spice cookies, I love to make a Christmas morning coffee cake. It's studded with fresh cranberries, has orange juice and orange zest, and chopped pecans too. It's really great because you can wrap it up and put it in the freezer and keep it for a few weeks. You can wrap it up with a pretty bow and gift it. Either way, you can enjoy it Christmas morning. It's perfect with coffee. Before I start baking, I like to make sure that my pantry is fully stocked. You don't want to get halfway through a recipe and then realize that you're out of dried cranberries or you're out of walnuts. So you want to make sure you're prepared. And for me, that looks like having lots of bags of flour, making sure I have lots of brown sugar and granulated sugar, making sure that my baking powder and baking soda is fresh and not expired, and making sure I have plenty of Crisco because it's great for making cookies and cakes come to life. What you absolutely must have in your pantry to get through the holidays are things like lots of spices. So you want cinnamon and nutmeg and cardamom and cloves, quintessential holiday aromas and flavors. You also want fresh cranberries, lots of orange and clove flavors. You'll want some nuts like walnuts and pecans, just everything that feels comforting and homey, especially during the holidays. For lots of holiday inspiration and holiday recipes, go to Crisco.com and joythebaker.com.